Many thanks to our performers and also to the Alzheimer Association from Valencia. Muchísimas gracias por todo. Y ahora vamos a dejar que el público pruebe un poquito también el sistema. Raúl, Sole, Adrián, Begoña, Sara, Mary, Roger, thank you so much. We will continue with the audience to try the system a little bit. Okay? Then, now we have, we are going to give just the tablets to the first. ¿Cómo? Ah, okay. Okay. I'm going to give you a big one. Yes. What was his name? Sorry. You will be the fourth. Fourth, yes. And just press the buttons. If you like it, you continue. If you don't, you change it, wherever you want. Just press button and see. Okay. Who else? Who dares? The piece is, it's who would like to change colors? Okay. ¿Cómo? No, es que todavía no está. No, when we start, now it's black. I mean, when the music starts, I will let you know. Okay, this is just press connect and just the white, so the butterfly doesn't come. Connect just in case, and just the white ones. You will be the first one. Then, what? No, one moment. Now, who would like to change videos? Okay. We press connect just in case, and just you have to press wherever. 8 possibilities. One of them is the camera, and the other are 5 different videos. You select, you see, whatever you want to do. Now, this one, this is a special one. I need something, somebody. Okay, Christina. Christina, let's see. This is a little bit more. Let me. Okay. Let's, well. Okay. This is the vertical bar, change the color of, this is a chroma, and change the chroma color. I mean, the typical chroma color is green, and it's boring. You substitute the screen before you. Okay. But here we are substituting the color from one video with other video. And then it's like mixing everything. So this bar is from white to black. Okay. And if you put this in the middle, this is the rainbow. You select any color. Okay, so I can move. Yes, you can move both of them. And the one on the bottom? The one on the bottom is the tolerance of the color, but okay. We give well, if you want to play with that, it's okay. But I was thinking just to change the key color. Gracias. Gracias, Cristina. Okay. No, don't worry at all. It's this, connect.
Una que no se puede, que cuando uno la usa se va, que se puede mantener que no se vaya la pantalla.
Just press buttons. Press buttons.
Each of us is controlling a different aspect of this.
Okay, I think, no. let's give it to you the first one. Then you will be the first to participate. Please, for him, the first one, and then this is the fourth one, and so he has not to wait. Just press the white keys, and you will have different colors of the image. Okay? Do it.
One question.
Sorry?
The switcher in hand is not activated, right?
What?
The switcher in hand is not activated?
Yeah, this.
But this is another switcher then.
It's yes, it's different. This is a good question. We have two. Oh, what happens here? Two problem? No, no problem. We have the system is like a Lego for sound, so we can have many modules of this, many modules, keyboards, and connect them in different ways to produce this or to produce whatever we want. So here, this is like the main switcher. No, this is the main switcher that changes among 4 different videos that we are producing in real time, and this is just one of these videos that is produced in real time. Also, this is second. This is second. First is the keyboard. Third is the one from Christina, and fourth is this one. But this is just a configuration. We do whatever, even a TV program, a radio program, it's easy. Oh, well, which one was this?
This one was another switcher.
Yes. Okay, press connect just in case. Okay.
Should I also follow your instruction?
It's 4. It's 4 or everybody. You will be 1. Let's try. Let's do yes, let's try. Let's try. Yes, let's test. Let's test. I have to change the videos for this new song. No, we don't have a piece for this moment. This is fast. Just for changing the 5 videos and making play to everything, and we are going to test. Anna, please, 1. And then, what was your name? Yaroswar. Yaroswar. You press any key you want. Yes, do it.
No,
Press, yes. Press, yes. Color change. Now he's going to perform the Marcha Turca from Mozart, Ottoman Empire. Then you press wherever, you will be like 30 seconds. Well, when music changes, we will change. And then you do whatever you want, it's okay. And then I will do 2. And who is the 2? You. And you will change among the videos, the different videos that we have here. Different possibilities. 2. Are you changing? Sure, yeah. Okay, you will have here is the camera. No, it's not. I don't know, sorry. I'm going to put inside the other time just to refresh the system. Just in case. 35.60. Okay, connect. No. Vamos a darle este que no sé. Voy a cambiar el. I'm going to change the configuration for this. It's 8002. Oui? Ay. My mistake. She was not in the second video here, so it's impossible that you were showing anything. It was my mistake, sorry. Everything was right, the mistake was mine. So we needed that Anna press 2, and then you are the 2. So my mistake, sorry. You see. This is the camera. Okay. And now, sorry, everything was right. Myself. You are the third one. Third one, please. And then try with the colors. Okay. The mariposa, the butterfly from Alzheimer Association of Valencia. Okay? And when I do like this, it's everybody getting crazy. And now,
sorry, Jorge, could you just say again what each device is changing? I know this is color,
okay.
but
Okay.
I'm confused about what each.
Okay. First of all, Anna is controlling, we are producing in real time 4 different videos, and she is changing between all of them. Then, first video is a video that more or less follows the music, the Ottoman Empire, Marcha Turca, blah, blah, blah. And he is changing colors of that video. Yes, that particular video. Color. One color. Second, she pressed second, and she's changing among 5 different videos and the webcam.
From the second.
From all that is generating in real time.
Okay.
So she actually
But
the
from
source.
the second, yeah, you're like the
Color, he went to
No,
color.
No. No, don't change. Just press here, whatever you want.
All sources.
That's it.
I got it. Okay, and then this
And then it's 3.
is the mixing of the colors.
Yes, this is the mixing with chroma key.
Got,
And then this 4th, this mix 3 videos. Add a 3rd video on top of the 2 that are mixing to make like a big ending. It's like, yeah, with many colors, many things.
One more question. So
Tell me, Hector.
the sources,
Yes.
the sources that she's going to be mixing come from her. Because she's choosing the sources.
Yes. She really is choosing 2 videos.
Oh, yeah.
Two in real time. I didn't want to go further on these technical things, but she's choosing 2 videos, and she makes that she gets 2 videos to mix. So she shows 1, but she really is sending 2 to her. So they change. Okay? Any more questions?
Thank you.
Okay, sorry, Jacob. Okay. It's Marcha Turca. It's, no, we will have these bells, but it's okay. Mozart, Rondó, Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, Rondó a la Turca, Jakub Polak, piano, and black, please. Anna, black. We start on black, and Maestro, when you're ready.